Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make creamy vegetable pasta. It's a very simple dish, just a few ingredients, and you can definitely make it for a weeknight dinner. I'm using 8 ounces or 227 grams of penne pasta. Feel free to substitute any kind of pasta you'd like for this recipe. 2 cups of whole milk, 2 medium carrots peeled and cut into small dice, half a cup of frozen green peas. You can of course substitute fresh, half a cup of corn kernels. You can use frozen, fresh, or canned, whatever's available. 1 garlic clove, we'll grate it into the sauce. 1 small yellow onion cut up. Some red chili flakes for heat. I like to grate a little bit of nutmeg into my sauce. If you have it, use it, otherwise you can leave it out. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter. For the white sauce, you just need the flour, butter, and milk. To give the sauce a little tang and a little bit more flavor, I add 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. You can leave out the cream cheese if you don't have it. If you have grated Parmesan cheese, you can add that to the sauce. First, we'll cook the pasta. Boil water in a large pot. The water has come to a full boil. Add a teaspoon of salt and the pasta. Give it a stir and cook until tender. Don't forget to stir the pasta occasionally. While the pasta is cooking, we can make the sauce. Heat up a pan and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Add the chopped onion, salt. Saute the onion just until soft. Add the butter and the carrots. Saute for 2 minutes. Add the flour. Grate the garlic. Cook just for a minute until the raw flavor of the flour cooks out. Now pour in the milk. You can also add the chili flakes for a little bit of heat, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt. If you're using nutmeg, you can grate it now. Just a few pinches. Add the corn and the peas. Bring this to a boil, stirring occasionally. Now the sauce is boiling and starting to thicken up. Cook this for another minute and it should thicken up nicely. When the sauce coats the back of your spoon, that means the sauce is ready. Lower the heat. Add the cream cheese if you're using it, or Parmesan if you'd like. Stir it in. The sauce and pasta will be done almost at the same time. Go ahead and drain the pasta whenever it's ready. You see how thick and creamy the sauce is. Taste this and add more salt if you'd like. Needs a little more salt. Add the drained pasta to the sauce. Coat the pasta with the sauce. Really creamy, comforting, and as you saw, it was very easy. Some of you have been asking about getting the recipe in a printable format. I'll put the recipes on my website and put a link to that in the description below, so you can easily print it out. I hope you try this simple and tasty pasta dish. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.